How to fix cutoff outputs issue in Jasper. Usually, content is cut off just because you have reached the max amount of characters to be produced for that template or long-form piece. What you'll want to do if you notice a high amount of your outputs getting cut off is tweaking your input to end with a period or shortening your input a little. Here's an example of a cut off output. Remember, write simply and clearly. Simple outputs can work great. After I changed my input I got 0 cut off outputs, smiley face.